bought the car in 2000. Got a picture of it. Paid $6,000 back then for it, and it's just a car I always wanted. And
how are you?
Man, last time I seen it was 2001, city of El Paso, Texas. It was stolen. I was incarcerated. My nephew took it. He says he was holding it for me till I come out of prison. 6 years later, car's gone. He says it got stolen in West Covina. And ever since then, since I come out, I've been looking for the car ever since.
18 years, right?
18 years, man. I've been looking, no luck, no luck. Oh. 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe sedan four-door.
So you reached out to me in November.
Yes, sir.
Some stuff had changed a little bit. It changed, but.
This is it.
That's your car?
He changed the AC. I had a little motor.
Yeah.
He swapped it. Remember the one, the motor? It's been swapped.
Oh, it should be coming.
Hold on, bars there. The bar, it's missing the bar in front of the thing too, though.
Oh. These license plates were in the car when it was stolen.
They were on the car like this mounted. The Texas tags were in the trunk.
Oh, the Texas tags were in the trunk, yeah. And it was stolen in El Paso in 2004.
Yeah, 2004. Special thanks to my wife Veronica for putting up for years. Saying you're wasting your time. Wasting, saying it was my time. Veronica, we did it for her.
This is so cool.
My time. Shit.
It's no showpiece, but I'll tell you what, I know he's trying.
Good caper. Took us, Robert contacted me in November. It's mid-August now, late August, almost September. So what's this, 10 months. Located the car in California. Got DMV Investigations, San Bernardino Auto Theft Task Force, Rialto PD, NICB, and today Robert gets his car back, missing 18 years. Really cool story.